Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today we're diving into a topic that's both a challenge and an opportunity for car enthusiasts and entrepreneurs alike. Let's talk about a side hustle that's both challenging and rewarding: starting your own automotive rust repair business. This isn't just about fixing cars, it's about transforming something old and worn into something new and valuable. Rust is the enemy of every car, but for those willing to put in the work, it's an opportunity to make some serious cash. Imagine taking a car that looks like it's on its last legs and giving it a new lease on life. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner with a passion for cars, this guide will give you the knowledge to tackle rust head-on and build a successful business. We'll break down the process so it's easy to follow no matter your skill level. We'll cover everything from the essential tools you'll need to effective marketing strategies. Knowing what tools to invest in can save you time and money, and marketing your services effectively can help you stand out in a competitive market. And the step-by-step process of repairing rust. From identifying the extent of the damage to applying the final coat of paint, we'll walk you through each stage. The best part? You don't need a fancy shop or years of experience to get started. Many successful rust repair businesses started in small home garages with minimal equipment. With dedication and the right knowledge, you can turn your passion for cars into a profitable venture. It's all about learning the techniques, practicing them, and continuously improving your skills. So are you ready to become the ultimate rust warrior? Let's dive in. Together, we'll conquer the rust monster and turn it into a thriving business opportunity. Get your tools ready, and let's get started on this exciting journey. Before you declare war on rust, you need the right weapons. Rust can be a formidable foe, but with the right tools in your arsenal, you can tackle even the most stubborn patches. Don't worry, we're not talking about anything dangerous, just some essential tools to get you started. These tools will make your job easier and more efficient, saving you time and effort. First up, you'll need a good quality angle grinder with a variety of grinding and cutting discs. This versatile tool is indispensable for any rust removal project. This will be your go-to for removing heavy rust and smoothing out surfaces. The angle grinder's power and speed make quick work of even the thickest rust layers. Next, invest in a set of sanding blocks and sandpaper in various grits. These are perfect for refining the surface after the initial grinding. From coarse to fine, these will help you achieve a smooth finish after grinding. The different grits allow you to gradually smooth out the surface, preparing it for painting or further treatment. For those hard-to-reach areas, a Dremel tool with a wire wheel attachment is a lifesaver. Its small size and precision make it ideal for detailed work. And of course, safety first. Never underestimate the importance of protecting yourself while working. Always wear a welding helmet or face shield, gloves, and ear protection when working with power tools. Safety gear is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure you can work confidently and effectively. With these tools and safety measures in place, you're well equipped to tackle any rust removal project. Remember, preparation and the right equipment are key to success. So, gear up, stay safe, and get ready to transform those rusty surfaces into smooth, clean metal. Happy rust busting! Now that you have your tools, you need a place to work your magic. You don't need a fancy garage to start, but having a dedicated workspace is crucial. If you have a garage or carport, perfect. Just make sure it's well ventilated and has enough space to move around comfortably. If space is limited, consider renting a small storage unit or partnering with a local mechanic who might have some extra room. The key is to create a safe and organized environment where you can focus on your craft. Remember, a clean and well-maintained workspace not only improves your efficiency but also makes a good impression on potential customers. It's time to let the world know about your awesome rust repair skills. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Start by spreading the word to friends, family, and neighbors. Word of mouth is powerful, especially when you're starting. Next, leverage the power of the internet. Create a simple website or social media page showcasing your work and contact information. You can also use online platforms like Craigslist or local classifieds to advertise your services. Don't forget about the power of visuals. Before and after photos of your rust repairs are a great way to attract potential customers and showcase your expertise. Section 5, Rust Repair 101, From Rusty to Ready. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to transform a rusty, worn-out car into a pristine, road-ready vehicle. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the actual rust repair process. This is where the magic happens, and your car begins its journey from rusty to ready. First things first, safety always comes first. Before you even think about touching that rust, make sure you're properly equipped. Wear your protective gear and make sure the area is well ventilated. This includes a respirator mask, gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from harmful dust and debris. Start by assessing the damage and determining the extent of the rust. Carefully inspect the car panel to identify all the rust spots and understand how deep the rust has penetrated. Use your angle grinder with a grinding disc to remove loose rust and paint. This step is crucial to ensure that you have a clean surface to work on. For heavier rust, you may need a cutting disc to cut out the affected area. This might seem daunting, but it's necessary to remove all the compromised metal. Once the rust is gone, smooth out the edges with an orbital sander or a sanding block. This will help create and prep a seamless surface for the next steps. If there are any holes, you'll need to weld in new metal patches. This step requires precision to ensure the new metal integrates well with the existing structure. A use of a MIG welding machine is most common and with some practice can be mastered in a reasonable amount of time. Finally, apply a rust inhibitor primer, followed by paint to protect your hard work and give the car a fresh, clean look. This not only enhances the car's appearance but also provides a protective layer to prevent future rust. And there you have it. With patience and the right tools, you can transform a rusty car into a stunning, road-ready vehicle. Happy repairing. Section 6. Keeping the customers happy. Service with a smile. Providing excellent customer service is just as important as your rust repair skills. Remember, happy customers are more likely to recommend you to others. Always be professional, courteous, and transparent in your communication. Provide clear and detailed estimates, and keep your customers informed throughout the repair process. Be sure to be realistic about timelines and potential challenges. And most importantly, always strive to exceed expectations. Going the extra mile, like offering a free car wash after the repair, can go a long way in building customer loyalty. Section 7. Money matters. Managing your business. Running a successful business involves more than just fixing cars. It requires managing your finances wisely. Keep track of all your expenses, including tools, materials, and marketing costs. Set competitive but profitable pricing for your services. Consider using accounting software or hiring a bookkeeper to help you stay organized. As your business grows, you can reinvest your profits in upgrading your equipment, expanding your services, or even hiring employees. Remember, careful financial management is essential for long-term success. The road to success, perseverance, and passion. Starting a business is never easy, but the rewards are worth the effort. Be prepared for challenges and setbacks along the way. There will be times when you'll feel like giving up, but it's important to stay persistent and never lose sight of your goals. Remember why you started this journey in the first place: your passion for cars and the satisfaction of turning something old and rusty into something new and beautiful. Celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes, and never stop improving your skills. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Beyond rust, expanding your automotive empire. Once you've mastered the art of rust repair, there's no limit to where your automotive passion can take you. Consider expanding your services to include other car repairs, such as dent removal, painting, or even basic mechanical work. You can also specialize in a particular type of vehicle, like classic cars or trucks. As your expertise grows, so too will your earning potential. The key is to never stop learning and exploring new opportunities within the automotive industry. Who knows, you might even inspire others to pursue their own automotive dreams. Join the journey. Subscribe for more side hustle inspiration. If you're feeling inspired to start your own side hustle, I've got you covered. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on car repair, DIY projects, and entrepreneurship. I'll share my tips and tricks on how to turn your passion into profit. Together we'll explore a world of opportunities and empower you to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms. So, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Conclusion: start your engines. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to start your own automotive rust repair business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and grow. But with the right attitude and a passion for cars, you can turn your dream into a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Start your engines and get ready to conquer the rust monster.